Continuing with my previous video, measurements and experimentation, our next topic is unit of length. Unit of length. SI unit of length is meter. Okay. The most commonly used subunits of meter are number 1 centimeter. Now, how can we transform meter to centimeter? In my previous video, we make a table that is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Here centimeter equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay. Now the second subunit is millimeter. Here millimeter is 3 steps below from meter. That's why 1 millimeter equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Number 3, nanometer. In my previous video, we see that meaning of nanometer is 10 to the power minus 9. That's why 1 nanometer equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Another is micrometer. Similarly, in my previous video, we see the meaning of micrometer is 10 to the power minus 6. So, 1 micrometer equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Okay. Now, another is kilometer. Here see, kilometer is 3 steps above of meter. That's why 1 kilometer equals to 1 into 10 to the power 3 meter. For some bigger unit of length, we use astronomical unit. AU. Okay. So 1 astronomical unit is equal to the mean distance between the earth and the sun. Okay, that is 1 AU equals to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Okay. Similarly, another bigger unit is light year. Light year. LY. Okay. A light year is the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. Okay, so 1 light year equals to speed of light into speed into time. Okay, then we get the distance. So speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and time is 1 year. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Here the time unit is second, so it will be the second. That's why 365 into 24 into 60 into 60 second. So it becomes 10 to the power 8 into 365 into 24 into 60 into 60 meter equals to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Okay, so now move on to the smaller unit of length. Smaller unit of length is used to express some wavelength of light, of size of molecules, radius of orbits of electron. We usually use angstrom. So angstrom is 1 angstrom A naught equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Here we can see the meaning of angstrom is 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, again we know that 1 micron equals to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. So 1 meter equals to 1 by 10 to the power minus 6 micron. That implies 10 to the power 6 micron. Ten to the power minus 10 meter equals to 10 to the power minus 10 into 10 to the power 6 micron. That implies 10 to the power minus 4 micron. Okay, so 1 angstrom A naught equals to 10 to the power minus 4 micron. Okay, Fermi, and which is denoted by F. Okay, so 1 Fermi equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Here we can see the meaning of Fermi is 10 to the power minus 15. Now you can say what is the problem of use meter or centimeter or kilometer for all. That is easily memorized. We can easily memorize meter, centimeter or kilometer. Okay, but for angstrom, for Fermi and another light year, okay, that is so much difficult to memorize. So if we use meter instead of light year for 1 light year, okay, equals to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Here if we use meter instead of light year, we have to use the large numerical value. Okay, we have to memorize this. Instead of the large numerical value, if we use 1, this is easily memorized. So that's why we use light year, angstrom, Fermi. Okay, Similarly, for smaller case, if we use meter instead of angstrom, we can see 1 angstrom equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So we get a large numerical value which is difficult to memorize. Okay, so now let's make a table. Okay, for smaller unit, value in meter, bigger unit, value in meter. Centimeter. Ten to the power minus 2. Millimeter. Ten to the power minus 3. Micrometer. Ten to the power minus 6. Nanometer. Ten to the power minus 9. Angstrom. Ten to the power minus 10. Fermi. 10 to the power minus 15. Okay, this is for smaller case. Okay, now for bigger case, kilometer. Kilometer, 10 cube, astronomical. ICAL. Okay, 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Light year, 9.46 into 10 to the power 15. Yeah. So this is for length. Now for mass, unit of mass. The SI unit of mass is SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay. Some subunit of mass is number 1 gram. From let's make the table. Kilo, gram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Here gram is 3 steps below from kilogram. That's why 1 gram equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram. Another subunit of mass is milligram. Okay. From the previous table, we can see milligram is 6 steps below from the kilogram. Then 1 milligram equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 kilogram. Okay. Now for bigger unit. Number 1 is quintal. One quintal equals to 100 kilogram. Okay. Another bigger unit is metric ton. One metric ton equals to 1000 kilogram. Okay. Another is solar mass. Solar mass. One solar mass equals to 2 into 10 to the power 30 kilogram. Now for smaller unit. To express of mass of atomic particle as photon, neutron or electron, we use atomic mass unit. So atomic mass unit. Okay. Now one which is expressed as AMU. AMU equals to 1 by 12 into 12 by 6.02 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram. Comment me what is the number. Okay. I explain how it becomes. Okay. The mass of 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atom of carbon 12 is 12 kg. Okay. So for one atoms it will be 12 by 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Yes. So for carbon 12 is this. Now for 1 it will be 1 by 12 into 12 by 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. Now make a table. Okay. Smaller unit value in kilogram, bigger unit value in kilogram. Okay. Here gram, 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram. Milligram, 10 to the power minus 6 kilogram. Atomic mass unit. okay, which is 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27. Okay, now bigger unit, quintal, 100 kg, metric ton, 1000 kg, solar mass, 2 into 10 to the power 30 kgs. Okay, okay, so now unit of time. SI unit of time is second. Okay, now some subunit of time is millisecond, 1 millisecond equals to 10 to the power minus 3 second. Number 2, microsecond. One microsecond equals to 10 to the power minus 6 second. Nanosecond. One nanosecond equals to 10 to the power minus 9 second. Okay, now for bigger unit, number 1, minute. We know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Okay, number 2 is hour. 1 hour equals to 60 into 60 seconds equals to 3600 seconds. Now day. 1 day equals to 24 into 60 into 60 seconds equals to 86400 seconds. Okay, next is month. 1 month equals to, for 30 days, okay, 30 into 24 into 60 into 60 seconds, that imply 2592000 seconds. Next, year. So 1 year equals to 365 into 24 into 60 into 60 seconds, that imply 3153600 seconds. Now next is 1 leap year. 1 leap year equals to 366 into 24 into 60 into 60 seconds. That imply 3 1 6 2 2 4 0 0 seconds. Okay. Now table, smaller unit value in seconds, bigger unit value in seconds. Okay, smaller unit millisecond, 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. Microseconds, 10 to the power minus 6 seconds. Nanoseconds, 10 to the power minus 9 second. Okay, bigger unit minute, 60 seconds. Hour, 3600 seconds. Day, 86400 seconds. Month, 259200 seconds. It's for 30 days. Year, 3153600 seconds. Leap year, 3162240 seconds. Okay, if anyone interested to see the previous video on this topic, then go and check it out. I will give the link on the description box. Thank you.